Hey guys, Bruce from Cell Pro here. Just doing a quick video. What I've found is this Samsung S20 here is giving me I unplugged it, but it's giving me a question mark with so that there is what it's giving me. Anyways, on some prior models, I found out that if the NFC gets damaged, for some reason, it causes the charging not to work. So what I've done is diagnose this issue. So I'm trying to do this with one hand here. Plug in the new NFC. That's plugged in, and then we plug the charger in like so with one hand. Okay, that's in, and then flip her over, and this bad boy is charging as it should. All right, so this is the S20. This works for pretty much all all Samsung models, and it allows it to just properly charge. So yeah, that's gonna fix the problem. If you're having a problem with the charging or moisture in the charge port issue, like and subscribe to the channel, please, and yeah, subscribe if you can. Costs money to make these videos. Thanks.